You first, you take the pains to call their parents. Then you go to their room, you convince them, you bring them, and then they say, okay, let's play something else. Okay. So they do it like this, half the night goes. And then what my friend did this time, he just did crossed all the limits. He did was, he took a paintball, he squashed it on my new bed sheet. It was like, how would he do that? I never done such a thing. But my mom was so frustrated with that we have to sleep in backyard. It's stinky. One with car sleep. Where machine sleep. How can we sleep there? They're also on the floor, living a luxurious 5-star homes. This seems exaggeration, but really,